guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you 5 products that help in getting rid of acne marks. These are all tried and tested products. I use them myself to deal with acne marks, and they help to fade them away really fast and get rid of them completely really fast than if you leave it to the natural process. And also these products do not cause any more acne. They do not have any side effects, and they just work in eliminating the marks of your face and in making your skin clearer. So if you want to know about my top 5 products that actually help to deal with acne marks, then please keep on watching. So the first product on my list is a calamine lotion. Now there are so many different kinds of calamine lotions in the market. That is Lactocalamine, Caladryl, Calac, Calopure, etc. You can literally pick any of the calamine lotions. They all literally do the same thing. The most popular one and the one that I use is Lactocalamine lotion. Now this contains kaolin clay, which helps to lighten and fade away the acne marks, and it helps in making your skin look more even. Also, if you have any active acne on your skin, this helps to soothe your skin and calm it down. This is a purple variant which is meant for oily skin, and then again they have a green variant which is meant for combination skin, but they do not have a variant for dry skin, unfortunately. And whenever you apply a calamine lotion on your skin, especially this Lactocalamine lotion, it does soothe your skin, but at the same time it also dries out your skin a little bit. So you can use it with your favorite moisturizer, a moisturizer that works for you, or maybe a dermat recommended moisturizer. The link to purchase this and some of the other calamine lotions is mentioned in the description box below. The second product on my list to deal with acne marks is a niacinamide serum. Now this one is by Dermaco. This is their 10% niacinamide serum. This is my second bottle, and I use this on my skin whenever the acne goes away and leaves marks on my skin. I don't really use it on active acne, although niacinamide is an active ingredient that helps to lighten and fade away dark spots, acne marks, and any kind of discoloration that you have on your skin. And in case if you want to purchase this one, then you can use my coupon code, that is RIA20, on Dermaco's website and avail a 20% off. And if not this brand, then you can also try Dot & Key and Earth Rhythm. They are also very good brands, and I've heard a lot of good things about their niacinamide serums as well. The third tried and tested product on my list is actually a chemical peel, and this is by Dermaco. It's their 30% AHA and 2% BHA chemical solution. Now the 30% AHA composes of 10% glycolic acid, 10% mandelic acid, and 10% lactic acid. So glycolic acid and mandelic acid help in exfoliating your skin. They help in shedding off the top layer of dead skin and revealing the fresh new layer of your skin underneath. Lactic acid helps to fade away any kind of discoloration that you have on your skin, that is dark spots, acne marks, or any kind of hyperpigmentation that you have on your skin. And the 2% BHA, that is salicylic acid, in this chemical solution helps in getting rid of your current active acne, and it also helps in preventing further acne. So a chemical peel like this is going to help to exfoliate your skin, and when your skin gets exfoliated and when the fresh layer of skin comes on top, the acne mark is lightened on its own. Because when you get an acne on your skin and when it goes away and leaves a mark on your skin, the mark is darkest on the topmost layer, and it keeps getting lighter with every layer of skin under it. So when the topmost layer of dead skin is removed, the acne mark on its own gets lightened. So by using a chemical peel like this once every single week, it's going to help in removing the topmost layer of dead skin, and it's going to help in lightening your acne marks eventually. Also, chemical exfoliators like this are far more better than physical exfoliators that are face scrubs. Face scrubs also help to remove dead skin cells and the topmost layer of your skin, but they are a little harsh on the skin, and especially if you have active acne on your skin, they're gonna irritate the acne, cause even more acne on your skin, and make the current acne situation worse. So it's always recommended to use a chemical exfoliator instead of a physical exfoliator. And even if you want to use a face scrub, make sure that you limit it to just once or twice a month. Apart from Dermaco, you can also check out Dot & Key for a good chemical peel. The fourth product on my list is by Mamaearth. This is their Bye Bye Blemishes face cream. Now this helps in correcting uneven skin tone. So if you have any kind of dark spots on your skin, or acne marks, or pigmented patches, or any kind of discoloration, this helps to correct that, and it helps to make your skin tone even. It contains mulberry extract and vitamin C, which both help in making your skin tone even. Now there's a lot of contradiction about Mamaearth Bye Bye Blemishes. For some people it works really well in reducing their acne marks, and for some people it just doesn't work at all. For me, it really works out well. I've been using this for over 2.5 years now for my acne marks, and it works really well in removing them. In fact, it's one of the fastest products that help in dealing with fresh acne marks. So it's all about trial and error. Certain products work for certain people and they don't work out for others, and vice versa. So you can just try different products and see what works out for you and what does not work. Also, in case if you want to try this, then you can use my coupon code and save some money. My coupon code is RIA2021 on Mamaearth's website. All of the details are mentioned in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. And finally, the last product on my list is not something that I use personally, but it has proven to have corrected uneven skin tone, and I'm talking about vitamin C serums. So I do use vitamin C serums on my skin every now and then, but I don't really use it specifically for my acne marks. Now, vitamin C, when you apply it on your skin, it helps in boosting collagen on your skin, and collagen helps to repair any kind of skin problems that you have. So basically, if you have unevenness on your skin, that is hyperpigmentation, dark spots, acne marks, dullness, or anything of that sort, then vitamin C helps in correcting all of that. It helps in evening out your skin, and it helps in bringing out a glow on your skin. But I have heard that vitamin C doesn't really work out for a lot of people, and it kind of breaks them out. So it's sort of another product that works for certain people and doesn't work out for certain people. And if you have extremely acne prone skin, then I do not recommend you use vitamin C to remove your acne marks, because that might just cause more acne and lead to more acne marks on your skin. Instead, you can try out the other 4 products that I mentioned earlier. They work really well in removing your acne marks without really causing any side effects. But if vitamin C serum is something that suits your skin, you're already using it, then it's an amazing ingredient to lighten any kind of darkness that you have on your skin, any kind of hyperpigmentation that you have on your skin, which includes acne marks as well. A good vitamin C serum option that I have is by Wow. This is their 20% vitamin C serum, which is oil free. Apart from this, you can also try out Derma Essentia Vitamin C Serum. That's also amazing. I've used and completed an entire bottle of it. So yes, those are all of the products that I use for my acne marks. They are all tried and tested, and they work out really well in lightening, fading away, and removing your acne marks completely. All of the products that I showed in this video or that I spoke about, the links to purchase them will be mentioned in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I also have another video on 5 products that actually work on acne and pimples. So the link to watch that video is also in the description box below, so you can check that out too. And yeah, with that I come to an end of today's video. If you found it helpful, please give it a big fat thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Follow me on Instagram, and let me know in the comments below what other videos would you like to see. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for today. I shall see you in my next video.